Is it me, or is Tesla just a stock that never underperforms? Apart from that time when I actually lost money on Tesla stock. That's a completely different story, but in this video, we are going to be talking about Tesla's extremely bullish move today, and of course yesterday. Tesla stock only the other day, literally 2 days ago or 1 day ago, hit $800. We're at 870 almost right now. The stock is really taking a huge upturn. Things are looking amazing for the company. It's absolutely flying. I don't know how I can even describe this one. Literally, just put this into perspective. What was it? Yesterday, in fact, I believe it was actually yesterday where we hit $800. We're almost at $900 the very next day. The stock is absolutely flying, but tonight we're giving all of my opinions and that kind of good stuff. If it sounds like a good plan for an episode, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And of course, if you want to come talk to us on Discord about stocks, you absolutely can. Now, of course, I am not a financial advisor, but this video does contain my personal opinions. Things can change, things may not be 100% fact, but let's jump straight in. So guys, yeah, when we look straight on our screen, we can see this huge uptick over the past month of Tesla stock. Now, of course, we went to this high early in the month. This was on the 18th of December, and of course, this one took us up to 695. From there, we saw a bit of a sell-off. This took us down to about 649, and then a small sell-off the very next day, taking us to 640. But ever since then, we have been on an insane climb. We're up 35% in just a matter of a few days, and we can really see a lot of that motion has come from the last 2 or 3 days. But of course, basically from this point here on the 29th, it has been up insanely, but the speed of which it's going up right now is just really picking up. And of course, personally with this one, I've changed my opinion even since yesterday. I think this one's definitely going to hit 1,000 faster than we thought, because you know what I mean? It's just saw huge moves yesterday. And I think the thing about Tesla stock is, once a lot of people start to hype it up, once a lot of people see that goal in mind, a lot of investors, I'm not saying it's a bad thing, I'm not saying it's a good thing either, but a lot of people definitely do jump on that Tesla bandwagon. You know, Tesla's up huge, Tesla can never go wrong, and then a lot more people will buy into it. So honestly, I can see this one hitting $1,000 within the next month, if not quicker than that. Now, of course, when it comes to Tesla stock, in my personal opinion, I am a fan. I like what the company does, and even at $800, I would dare to say the stock is not overvalued, but I would say the way it has gained its value is a bit too fast. So to understand what I mean by that, if we are looking on the past month, we can really see we are up with no down days basically from about the 22nd. So of course it has been a while since we have seen a down day. Now of course, for that reason, if it went down tomorrow, if it went down in the next few days, I would not see it as a problem at all. In fact, I would probably see that as a better buy opportunity, especially than right now. Because my personal approach is, you know, even if Tesla is going to do very well over the next year or so, do we really want to buy at this high point here when we could potentially get a better deal in just a few days? So honestly, with Tesla, it is hard to say, but I definitely think we could see a dip coming soon, but we'll just have to see what happens. Of course, mainly in the next quarter or so. Obviously, we got our Q1 results, which I personally believe are going to be positive. Tesla is now in the S&P 500, so overall, over the next year or so, I would definitely see growth on Tesla stock. I think it could really pick up. I think it could become one of the biggest, you know, automotive manufacturers in the world. And of course, with so much investor attention, which is not really something that we see in this automotive sector as much, and with so much attention from investors, I think it really does have potential to raise a lot of funds, and of course subsequently for the share price to absolutely soar even higher than what we have seen over the past year. So when it comes to Tesla stock, would I buy it? Honestly, I would buy it, but in my personal view, I would wait a day or two and see what happens. But you know what, things could go anywhere with this stock. Honestly, I daren't even say, because it's just so all over the place, mostly up. And I don't want to say just because it's going up it's probably going to go up, because it is hard to say. But you know, you've got to be asking yourself, is Tesla going to carry on? Are we going to see this growth continue? Of course, I am not a financial advisor, but my opinions are Tesla is definitely a stock to watch. Of course, I can't recommend that you buy it, but definitely keep your eye on it and see how things go, because of course, even at this point now, I definitely don't think it's a bad buy. I certainly do think at some point in the next month or so, we are going to hit $1,000 and potentially even go back up to $2,000, which would be insane. We'll just have to see how we move. So I hope you enjoyed my quick opinion video. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.